We're going to go through the job card and learn some of the basic setups that are needed to set up a job. We'll start with the General Fast tab. Here you'll enter your job number, and then a short description or your project name, and then you'll select your client. Now you'll notice once I selected my client number, some of the information defaulted over. This is from my client card setup. Next I'll select a project manager. The project manager name will also default from the setup. And my job contract type, this will be a CPFF project. And then select my period of performance. Next I'll move down to the Posting tab and select a department code dimension for my project. And I'll make sure my job posting group, I always select all. Now moving over to the job group field. This field allows you to group your jobs and defines the revenue GL account for the job. I will select the Direct Projects job group and move to the Job Account Group field. Now this field, the Job Account Group, allows you to define the subset of the cost GL accounts for the job. And for T&M jobs specifically, you can define the labor categories that are allowed for posting. For my project, I will select Direct here as well, and then move down to the Revenue Recognition formula and the Billing formula. These fields actually work together to define how revenue is recognized or billed to the customer. For my project, I will have the same formula for both, but you can select something different if applicable. The Billing Pool group defines how burdens are calculated on your invoice. And then the fee percent. This is used on jobs where you need to charge a fee on top of what you're billing. Typically, this is just used for cost plus types of jobs. I'll select 5% for my setup. And then for withholding, I will select 10%. This withholding setup allows you to set up rules for retainage on an invoice. Now last, I'll just select my primary contract number. I'm down on the Contract Fast tab here. My primary contract number associated with this project. And then you can enter any secondary or other contract number here, as well as selecting an office number, a contracting office number, or a paying office number if different from above.